In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to strike through text in Smartsheet step by step. If you're managing tasks, tracking progress, or marking items as completed, using the strike-through format is a simple but powerful way to visually show what's done. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to apply the strike-through formatting. This can be any sheet where you're tracking tasks, projects, or data in grid view. Once your sheet is open, locate the specific cell that contains the text you want to format. Click directly on that cell to select it. Make sure the cell is highlighted, which confirms it's active and ready for editing or formatting. This step is important because formatting options only apply to the selected cell. After selecting the cell, look toward the formatting options in the toolbar area. If you don't immediately see the strike-through option available, click on the three dots menu. The three dots represent additional formatting and editing options that may not be visible in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on those three dots to expand the extended menu. Once the drop-down menu opens, you'll see several text formatting options. Look carefully for the strike-through option. It is typically represented by an S with a line through it. When you find the strike-through option, click on it. As soon as you click it, the text inside your selected cell will automatically update and display with a line through it. That's it. The strike-through formatting is now applied to your selected cell. This is especially useful for marking tasks as completed without deleting them, keeping a clear record of progress while maintaining visibility. If you want to remove the strike-through later, simply select the same cell again, go back to the three dots menu, and click the strike-through option once more to toggle it off. The formatting will return to normal instantly. You can repeat this process for any other cells in your sheet. Just select the cell, click the three dots, and choose the strike-through option. It's quick, simple, and keeps your sheets organized and easy to read. Using visual formatting like this can make a big difference when collaborating with a team because everyone can immediately see which items are completed and which are still pending. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Open your Smartsheet, select the cell you want to format, click on the three dots to access additional options, and then click on the strike-through option to apply it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Smartsheet tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.